How to use eye massager for stress relief and better sleep. Stressed because you can't sleep? But then not sleeping makes you more stressed. It's a vicious cycle that nobody wants to ride. Yet, this is a reality for many Americans, with almost 50% of adults lying awake at night due to stress. Fortunately, there are ways to break this cycle and find relaxation. One such solution is using an eye massager for stress relief and better sleep. Discover the benefits of using eye massagers for a stronger body and mind. Keep reading to learn how eye massagers work and how to use them effectively to improve your sleep and reduce stress. Does eye massager help with sleep? Your eyes play a significant role in regulating your sleep patterns. The Sleep Foundation has reported that exposure to the blue light emitted by electronic devices can disrupt the production of melatonin, the hormone that enables us to fall asleep. Meaning, using cell phones before bedtime can affect the quality of your sleep. Prolonged screen time can also lead to eye fatigue, dryness, and strain, making it more difficult to relax and drift off into dreamland, University of Pittsburgh Medical Center reports. So, how does an eye massager work? Massaging your eyes can help alleviate discomfort and promote relaxation by reducing eye fatigue that comes from digital eye strain, according to the Center for Sight. An eye massager typically looks like a pair of goggles or glasses that you wear over your eyes, and it uses gentle vibrations and air pressure compression to massage your eye area. Does eye massager work for stress relief? Some eye massagers come with built-in heat and music therapy, which according to a study helps reduce stress. Moreover, eye massagers can have a positive impact on stress levels. Stress triggers the release of cortisol in our bodies, which, if not controlled, can have harmful effects on our overall health. Luckily, massage therapy can decrease cortisol levels, thus reducing stress, says Sonia Dakar, an esthetician. Plus, the combination of soothing music and eye massage can be a powerful stress buster that transports you to a state of blissful relaxation. Eye massagers are a helpful addition to your self-care routine. They are particularly useful if you spend extended periods looking at screens or experiencing stress. It's like a mini spa for your eyes that can help you sleep better and feel more refreshed. How to use eye massager. Step 1. Choosing the right massager. There are many types of eye massagers available on the market. Renpho Iris One Eye Massager offers a heat compress that helps comfort the eyes. The foldable design of the Renpho Eye Massager makes it incredibly convenient to take along wherever you go, truly making it the ultimate travel companion. Look for one that suits your preferences and needs. Some come with cooling functions and ambient music that provides additional stress relief. Make sure to read reviews and check the specifications before making a purchase. Step 2. Preparing for use. Before using your eye massager, make sure to wash your face and hands to remove any dirt and oil. Remove any contact lenses or glasses if you wear them. You may also want to use a warm towel to warm up the muscles around your eyes before starting the massage. Make sure that your massager has enough battery to enjoy an uninterrupted massage session. Step 3. Proper positioning and usage. Place the eye massager over your eyes, making sure to adjust the straps so that it fits snugly but comfortably. Turn on the device and select the massage mode and intensity level that suit you. You may also choose to use a heat or cooling function if your device has one. Close your eyes and relax for the duration of the massage, which is usually around 5 to 15 minutes. If you want to turn off the music coming from the Renpho Eye Massager, gently tap the music icon button and continue tapping until there is no sound. To fully turn off the eye massager, hold the power button for 3 to 5 seconds. Step 4. Recommended frequency and duration of use. The Renpho Eye Massager automatically turns off after 15 minutes to ensure safety. However, the frequency and duration may vary depending on the individual's needs and preferences. Consult the user manual or your healthcare provider for specific recommendations. Top 4 tips for maximum benefits. Incorporate eye massagers into your routine. Making it a part of your daily routine can help you feel more relaxed and get restful sleep. Combine with other relaxation techniques. Using an eye massager is just one way to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Consider combining it with other relaxation practices such as deep breathing, yoga, or meditation. Also, don't forget to incorporate proper nutrition and hydration for an even more powerful effect. Keep the eye massager clean and maintained. To ensure your eye massager remains in good condition and hygienic, make sure to clean it after each use. To clean the Renpho Eye Massager, use cotton soaked in alcohol. Do not use water and other corrosive detergents to prolong the life of your device. While eye massagers are generally safe to use, there are some precautions to be aware of. People with certain medical conditions such as glaucoma, cataracts, eye operation, or retinal condition should avoid using eye massagers. Pregnant women should also avoid using them unless approved by their healthcare provider. Talk to your doctor before using the device. Conclusion: using an eye massager can be a simple yet effective way to reduce stress and improve your sleep quality. By incorporating other relaxation methods such as yoga, you can experience the many benefits of this powerful tool. Consult your healthcare provider before using an eye massager if you have any medical concerns or conditions. So why not give Renfo Eye Massager a try and start feeling more relaxed and refreshed today?